welcome. It's Michael Murray with Benzinga here at the Future of Digital Assets event in New York City, and Rohit from Kubera is joining us this morning. Rohit, it's great to have you with us.
Thanks for having me.
It's our pleasure. Tell us a little bit more about Kubera specifically. What does the company do and what are you all about?
Yeah, so Kubera is a wealth tracking platform. We bring all your assets, stock, bonds, real estate, crypto, NFT, all of this together in a single dashboard so you can track it over time.
Terrific. And what do you think this problem solves for investors that may have assets across asset classes, across different industries, different types of currencies perhaps? What makes this such a great solution for people that want to track all of their money in one place?
So if you look, until some years ago, people just had stock, bonds, and real estate. But now the number of assets are scattering. So you can have stock, bonds, real estate, crypto, NFTs. You have alternative assets. Then people, who are immigrants, they have bank accounts in multiple countries, and things get complex very soon. And then there is a wave of fintech products, and pretty much everyone tries some of these fintech products. So they have like pockets of money, like 50K in Coinbase, 10K in Revolut, and this also adds up the stress of managing money over a period of time. Yeah.
And so when you look at investors in this day and age and with all of these different asset classes, what do you think is important for them to keep in mind about managing their money, about keeping track of it? Do people sometimes underestimate the importance of realizing where their money's at and what they can be doing better with it at all times?
Right. So first of all, if you don't have everything together in a single place, you get stressed out because you feel like you are going to miss something, or if something happens to you, your family might not have that information, and that wealth is going to be lost forever.
Right.
Also, we have seen changes in behavioral finance once you start tracking your assets over time. As an example, you have been tracking your assets over time, and the stock market is volatile, and it crashed like 5% this month. And you're panicking, and you're anxious, and you want to sell everything and get out. But if you go to the net worth chart in Kubera over time, you realize that you have done pretty well over the last 3 years. So it helps you make logical decisions because you are looking at the big picture over a period of time instead of like looking at your Robinhood like a real-time dashboard and like taking bad decisions at the wrong time.
Understood. Looking at the future of this industry then, in 2024 and moving ahead to what's coming next for digital assets, for cryptocurrency and for everything else, what are you expecting to see in the industries over the next 12 months?
I think wealth are getting scattered in multiple sources. It's no longer a simple like one bank account, one brokerage account, one house. People are trying multiple types of fintech products. They are trying multiple asset types. So that is the consumer trend. In terms of, we also sell to financial advisors, and financial advisors are seeing an upsurge in non-custodial assets. So
got it.
Few years ago, all the assets was custodial.
Sure.
Financial assets will take custody of it. Now people are bringing their own assets, and financial advisors need to know the entire picture. So only then they can offer great advice after looking at the entire picture.
Excellent. Yeah. Rohit, for anybody that wants to work with Kubera, learn more about the platform or get started with you guys, where should they visit and where should they go to get more?
Just kubera.com, Kubera.com. Yeah.
Perfect. Rohit, we can't tell you how much we appreciate having you here, sharing your time with this event, and talking to people more about how important it is to keep their money in one place. Thank you very much.
Thank you.